Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's presentation on artificial intelligence, or AI. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of AI and explore its impacts on various aspects of our lives. Before we start, my name is Adam Rasmussen. I'm an early adopter of ChatGPT and other AIs. I'm a prompt engineer and an AI consultant. Now, first, we should probably answer the question, what is AI? AI first has become a buzzword that captures our attention and imagination. It represents the idea of creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Now, it's important to keep in mind that AI is not sentient. However, it is important. However, AI systems do not possess consciousness or emotions like humans do. They are designed to mimic human intelligence in specific tasks. At its core, AI is an algorithm. It's a set of rules that computers follow to process data, make predictions, or perform specific tasks. AI algorithms can be programmed with specific rules or can learn from data to improve their performance. Now, computers were always meant to automate tasks. So naturally, AI was kind of going to be there. It's just better at automating tasks. By leveraging AI, we can enhance efficiency, accuracy, and speed in various industries and applications. Now, something that these are a few things that you don't really need to know about. I just like to touch on them lightly. First is machine learning. It's a fundamental approach to AI. It enables computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being specifically told to make a certain decision, programmed to do so. This technology has paved the way for significant advancements in AI. Another thing, again, you really don't need to worry about knowing this. I just like to touch it. Neural networks are another key component of AI. They're inspired by the functioning of the human brain. Neural networks excel in tasks like image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and pattern recognition. There's also predictive text modeling, which is a practical application of AI. This technology allows systems to generate suggestions or complete sentences based on the context and patterns in the given text. Now that we've cleared that out of the way, we know what AI is. How do I use AI? Well, one of the biggest, easiest ways to do it is by going to a website. For example, we have chat.openai.com, which will take you to ChatGPT. There are also other applications like AutoGPT, which is an extension of ChatGPT, but instead you download it to your computer and you use it more like an app. The best thing about using AI is that it's not like a lot of other computer stuff where you have to enter a bunch of advanced commands and whatnot. You go in and you say what you want it to do. Say what you want to say what you want it to do, and it'll process and do it for you without any knowledge of code or how to direct computers to do something. Now we're going to start with a few influential AIs. AI has had a significant impact on various industries and technologies. Let's explore some of the most influential ones. Watson by IBM coming up first. Watson gained fame by winning the game show Jeopardy in 2011. It showcased the capabilities of an AI processing and understanding vast amounts of information. There's AlphaGo by Google, which made headlines in 2016 when it defeated the world champion Go player. This achievement demonstrated how AI can excel in complicated strategy games that were previously considered the domain of human expertise. Computers couldn't do that before. Then there's Tesla self-driving. I'm sure you've all heard of Tesla's technology. It pops up in the news quite often. Um, it utilizes AI algorithms to analyze sensor data and make driving decisions. It represents the significant advancements made in autonomous vehicles. Then there is the most recent groundbreakers, ChatGPT 3 and 4. Uh, ChatGPT 3 and its successor GPT 4 are language models developed by OpenAI. They've shown remarkable language generation capabilities and have been used for various tasks, including content creation and conversational AI. It's really good at predicting text and giving you really natural human-like conversations. Next, as we've seen recently, we have AIs and the new AI boom. AI continues to evolve rapidly, and we're witnessing an AI boom with the emergence of new AI technologies and tools. Let's explore some of these developments. ChatGPT 3 and 4 is an AI model that leverages the power of GPT 3 and 4 to engage in dynamic and context-aware conversations. It can understand user input and provide relevant and coherent responses. There are tools such as Snazzy AI, Beautiful AI, Other Side AI, Writesonic AI, Niches AI, Headlines AI, Use Topic AI, and more. There's a lot out there. You can leverage these AI models to streamline and enhance creative processes. This example down here in my slide is one that's my personal favorite, called Jedi GPT. It uses GPT-3, and it basically just talks to you like a Jedi. In this example, I have it reading a sentence to me like it's Yoda, which is pretty fun in my opinion. I'm a pretty big fan of that. All right, now let's explore some skills and uses of AI. You've got brainstorming. AI can be a valuable tool in brainstorming sessions, providing alternative ideas and perspectives based on existing data or user input. You can go to an AI and ask it for ideas on something, and it'll come up with stuff that you hadn't even thought about, and it can be really useful. You can just ask it like, hey, how should I go about doing this? Or what should I do to that? It's super useful. Planning. AI algorithms can analyze data and assist in strategic planning, identifying patterns, trends, and potential outcomes to support decision making. It can help you come up with different angles and approaches. AI can provide different angles and approaches to problem solving or creative tasks, helping to expand possibilities and generate fresh ideas. Write-ups. AI-powered writing assistants can aid in generating content, drafting emails, creating reports, saving time, and improving writing quality. This can include content creation as well. So say you wanted to write an article for your website, all you would do is go to chat.openai.com and say, hey, please write an article about this for my website. And then all you got to do is read through it, make sure all the facts are good, and bam, you just got yourself a write-up in like 10 minutes, It also comes up with different perspectives because it is a computer and can look at all of the data at once. You can get it to feed you a different perspective than your own, which allows for a broader view of what you are trying to accomplish and probably more ways to do it. Next is AI and your business. AI has had a profound impact on businesses. Let's explore how it can benefit your organization. Content creation. Like I said, AI tools can generate content for websites, social media posts, or marketing emails, helping businesses scale their content production. It can help with lead generation. AI-powered algorithms can analyze customer data, behavior, and preferences to identify potential leads and optimize marketing strategies. It can write emails, suggest phrases, or even predict responses based on the context, improving your communication efficiency within your organization. It can help automate. AI enables businesses to automate repetitive tasks such as data entry, report generation, or customer support, freeing up valuable time for more complex activities. AI, you can, if it's in application form, like the Auto GPT that I mentioned earlier, you can feed it information, you can tell it what to do, and it will do it for you. And like it said, like I said, it can automate repetitive tasks like data entry. And it's really cool to see it go and do that. AI can create cold calling scripts for you as well, so you can have a more effective process when it comes to cold calling, because we all know it's super frustrating to cold call, to get shut down. AI can help you write more optimized scripts. It can analyze call data, customer profiles, and successful sales scripts to generate an optimized cold calling script, improving your sales effectiveness. Now, as a cybersecurity company, we have a few next up we have AI in cybersecurity threats. Now, AI, as good as it is and as helpful as it can be, does introduce some threats to you and your organization. And as a cybersecurity company, we feel the need to address some of this. First is crafting phishing emails. AI-powered systems can be used to generate convincing phishing emails, increasing the risk of falling victim to scams or identity theft. Before, phishing emails were often pretty recognizable. They would have spelling errors, and things just wouldn't seem right with how that message was written. But now that AI is here, people can give it a prompt and say, write this in perfect English, and they can copy and paste that into that email, send it to you, and all of a sudden that email is just indistinguishable from a normal email. So it becomes much harder to identify when somebody is trying to scam you through email. It can also, AI is also capable of writing code, and as good as that can be, again, it all depends on how you use it. You can use it for evil as well. AI algorithms can be used to develop sophisticated malware or cyber attacks to exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems or networks. I'll have an example of this in just a minute, but people with no coding knowledge and just bad intent can go to an AI and ask it to write a virus or something that can harm another person's computer or information, and it'll do it. Another thing is misinformation. I'm sure many of you guys have heard of deep fakes and stuff like that. It's all generated by AI, and it allows people to fake information, fake a video of somebody doing something, ruin reputations, and just overall spread false truths. As I mentioned earlier, here's an example. You don't have to know what anything on the screen actually means. All you have to know is that this is me. I did this myself, convincing an AI to write a virus for me.